All right, today I'm going to show you how to fix a Gerber toilet that keeps on running. So you may have come into an issue to where your Gerber toilet just keeps on running and just will not shut off. So I'm going to show you a potential fix that can alleviate your issue that you're having. But before we get started, you can give me a thumbs up as well as subscribe to the channel if my video is helpful in any way. All right, so what I'm going to do is I'm going to walk into the toilet, make sure the toilet is down. Okay, this is currently not running, but I'm showing you because I know how to resolve an issue like this. All right, so the toilet right here, you're going to want to lift open the tank. All right, so I'm going to go ahead and take the tank cover off. Now, the issue that you may be coming up with is that some mechanism in here just will not operate properly, it will not flow, it will not go back into place. So when you push the lever down, this activates the toilet to push water through the toilet at the bottom, and it's supposed to fill up. But if there's some sort of obstruction, whether it be debris or maybe rust of some sort, that is preventing this mechanism from going back into place after you flushed it, you'll want to alleviate that problem. All right, and I'm going to show you. This is what's supposed to happen when you press this button. When you press this button, it activates this right here. And when this is activated, water flushes through the toilet, and then it pops back up to refill the tank so it can do the process over again. Now, when you have an issue with this, it's probably preventing this from popping back up to refill. And so water is constantly, going through it, and it seems like it'll never turn off. So I'm going to show you. So what happens when I press this button, that goes down, water comes down in the toilet, and then it fills up because this has allowed it to pop up. Now, what happens when your toilet is running and it never stops is because this goes down, and for some reason it does not pop back up. All right, so you want to check up under here to make sure there's nothing caught into there, and you probably just want to wiggle this up and down like this to make sure that it is going up and down properly. You want to check these pulleys right here, the system right here, make sure that these are moving freely and nothing is caught up in there. And so once you've wiggled all that out, make sure that there's no rust or anything preventing it from moving, it should pop back up. This tank should fill up, and eventually it will stop running. All right, so I'm gonna go ahead and close this up. After you're done, put the cap back on, and any second it should stop running right there. And that should alleviate your problem with a running toilet on this particular Gerber toilet. I hope this was helpful. Thanks a lot for watching.